Morning! Tada! Tulog pa si Jay? Ha? Kanina pa ako nagising. Magluto muna ako. Ano yun? Morning! Magluluto pa. Ay, malamig.
Sun is shining oh so bright. Pack your bags, it's time for flight. Beach and waves, the perfect vibe. Feel the heat come alive, alive. Summer vacay, oh let's play. All night long we'll dance away. Hey, feel the beat, the sunshine.
Wow, kita matching jumping rope pa si Inday.
Dito ko lang ha.
Morning! Morning, Dad! It's sunny here. Morning! Hi, anak! Ate!
Yeah, videohan kayong dalawa. Ito yung charger ko, nag-charge pa ako eh. Diyan lang sa init. Ito, 7, isa pa.
Okay na. Sana yung mga coffee nyo. Adult, buo-buo na yan. Coffee ko, pang-sponsor.
Ilagay ko dito.
Jay, can you put Jay?
Here,
You wanna drop this Jay?
Where?
Here,
Okay.
I'm taking you,
Alimony Lily.
coffee ko. Dito lang, dito lang. Dito kasi it's for all of here.
If you want a new one tomorrow, maybe go somewhere
Ay, palak.
and buy it.
Ay, hindi pa pala dito.
Coffee blanca. Ano mo daw? Wait lang din sa amin. Wait lang, kasi wala pa yung milk. Hawakan lang kayo.
There, okay, practice.
Oh,
Left-handed pa.
I'll do mommy's one.
Sige, pour.
I can do it. Because your hands are cold. Okay, enough na kay Mimi.
And mine, in the middle.
Okay, then
halfway.
mix na. And
Daddy.
morning walk for daddy.
Dito muna kay kuya.
Oo, no?
It's all empty.
Wala nang water.
Pwede na dyan?
Pwede na. Okay, time to eat na. Para we can start our journey. It's time for our Breakfast
Heater na naman
mode.
yung ano ngayon.
Heater.
May nabibiling heater, di ba?
For next time.
Portable heater.
Ah,
Yeah, this is
kain na.
yeah, we don't have a
Kanta na tayo. Happy birthday to you. You sing your daddy. Yung kanta dyan. Day to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
to you. Okay, you blow the candle. Wish first.
What's your wish?
What's your wishes? Mahaba naman. Ang haba ng wishes. Baka mawala na yung candle.
Alright.
Yay! Good health. Wish you good health.
Kapag nababad ka na sa tubig, naka-adjust yung katawan mo, ayaw mo nang lumabas.
Kasi yung malamig.
Lumamig-lamig yung hangin.
Ito naman.
Okay na din kasi.
Kung gusto nyo daw para magligo at saka mag-shower, punta tayo doon sa may Penticton River or ano ba? Lake pala, lake. Ayun na ako.
So that's the time we will bring that one.
Costa din.
Daddy.
Kaya maglakad po na.
Wala mang mapa.
Na ano maaraw.
Natataas pa to din. Or ito na yung pinakamatagal.
This is wild for me to do dishes. Doon ang campsite namin. Diyan. Third. And then, yung washroom niya, nandito lang. Few steps. Here naman ang washroom. Nandyan si ate ngayon. And then, we'll check here. Kami ay magja-jogging daw. Ganda naman ito. Malaki. Very big leaf. Para sa ating anahaw, no? Not really. Ito, meron siyang bud. May cutting space. Wow, stunning. We're here by the campsite. Ito yung view lang naman namin. Just a walk. 5
Ito yung
minutes
ending
away.
niya. Kaya may kakalog na.
Oo, maano dito.
Water tubing ba?
Yung currency. Agad. Ganda, no? This is our family signature walks.
Check it.
Again pa daw, again. Nice. Okay na. Click. Yes.
Pinicturean mo yung nature pero one of the frame lang para
halika dito ate.
Yeah, man, mami winter, every morning boiling water.
Tapos mag-birds din dito sa highway 3.
BRB.
Punta tayo doon lang. Tapos all the way. Baka kung ako na signal.
Yeah, mag-birds dito.
Okay, going muna for like